I'm Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and thank you for watching my video. Today I'm going to be working on this old chalk board. It's a Chalk Couture board surface, but it's an older one that we no longer sell. I'm going to be using I Am the Luckiest Transfer. Chalk paste I'm going to be using is Meadow, our new in Vogue Pistachio. It's kind of the creamy, dreamy formula. And our Shimmer Gold. Okay, so let's get started here. Well, it's a little crooked, but it still looks good. I'm happy with it. It says you are the best and I am the luckiest. I'm going to use this green ribbon that I have. So I can hang that. And there I go. It's our St. Patty's Day. I want to thank everyone for watching, and all of my details and links are below. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Feel free to comment below. And again, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye and have a great day. Happy St. Patrick's Day.